Hi everyone! Today we're going to practice writing green words. So we know that red words, like our special red words this week, A and C, red words cannot be stretched out using the sounds we know. They just have to be stuck into our brain. But green words are words that we can use the sounds we know, and then we can write the letter that makes that sound. And they're spelled the right way. So today I'm going to show you how to use a blending strip. So I'm going to turn the camera down so you can see what I have here. This is our blending strip. When we use the blending strip, we're going to start at the number 1, and we're going to tap as we say the sound in the word. So I say sound, 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 and then I say those sounds fast to push it together to make a word. So it's like we're using the blending board, but you don't have the letters. We just remember we always start at green as the first sound, yellow is the middle sound, and red is the last sound. So we're going to be using these little sound boxes today. And to start with, I'm just going to be showing you how I would use the sound boxes, and then I'll show you how you can make your own. And we'll practice with a few of the words that we can write with the letters we've learned so far. So when we're using our blending strip, we're always going to start by pounding the word. Then we tap to say the sounds, and then we say the sounds fast to push them together to make a word. I'm also going to be using these little mini erasers to put for every sound I hear. So first sound, middle sound, last sound. And once we practice this, we'll start writing the letters that make those sounds instead of using the little mini erasers. But let's try just a few together, and then I'll show you how you can make your own sound boxes at home. The first word I'm going to have you pound and tap with me is the word dad. You say the word dad. Now we're going to pound and tap it on the blending strip. Dad. D, a, d. Dad. Good. Say those sounds with me as I move up a sun for every sound. D, a, d. Dad. Nice job. Let's try just a few more. Help me pound and tap the word cat. You say the word cat. Pound and tap it. Cat. K, a, t. Cat. Help me push a mini eraser up each time we say the sound. Cat. K, a, t. Cat. Nice work. Let's try one more. This time, help me pound and tap the word mad. You say the word mad. Pound it. Mad. A-d. Mad. Move the erasers with me. Mad. A-d. Mad. So just a fun game to practice hearing the sounds in green words, in words that we can use the sounds and the letters that make those sounds to spell words. So now let's show you how to make your own sound box. If you have a blending strip at home, go ahead and take it out. If you don't have a blending strip at home with you, that's okay. You could always draw one on a piece of paper, or even just draw a green, a yellow, and a red circle, and then a little arrow underneath. So I'm going to use a dry erase board and a marker, or you could use a piece of paper that you might have in a notebook or any other piece of paper that you have at home. So to make your sound boxes, we're going to start with a rectangle. So rectangles have 4 sides. It goes long, short, long, short. And then we're going to draw a line, one line here, one line here. Now we have 1, 2, 3 boxes. And you'll notice it matches up with my blending strip. So we're going to start by pounding and tapping a word. Then we're going to write the letters in the sound boxes. This is the first time that we're writing green words together. It's very exciting. We're going to start with the word cod. Remember, a cod is a special type of fish. Okay, pound and tap it with me. Cod. K-A-D. Cod. Now we're going to pound and write the letter that makes the sound. So pound the word again. Cod. Ooh, what's the first sound you heard? Cod. Cod. Yeah, it's the k sound. We hear the k sound first in the word cod. And what letter makes that sound? C. Go ahead and write a C in the first box because that's the first sound we heard. K, k, cod. Let's listen for the middle sound. K, ah, k, ah. What do you hear? Yeah, ah. And what letter makes the sound? Ah. Oh, good. K, ah, ka. And what letter should I write here? O. Now we have k, ah, d. Ka, d. Ooh, what did you hear at the end? D. Good. What letter makes the sound D? D. Remember, start with the C. Tall line down. Cod. We can double check it by tapping and saying the sounds and then sliding it fast. So let's try that. I'm going to tap underneath as I say the sound. I'm going to push it together as I slide it fast. 1, 2, 3. K, ah, d, cod. Nice job, writers. We're going to try one more today. So if you're using a dry erase board and marker, you can just erase the letters inside your sound box. If you're using a piece of paper, just draw another sound box. Or if you were using a pencil, you could erase the letters inside the sound boxes. Or you can just draw a new one. Either way is okay. And the last word that we're going to work on today is the word cag. Cag is not a real word. It's a silly word. But it's still a silly word that we can pound and tap and use the sounds that we know to write the word. So go ahead and pound and tap it with me. Cag. K-A-G. Cag. Hey, what sound did you hear first? K-ag. K-ag. Right? The k sound. And what letter makes the sound? K. C. Good. Write it in your sound box. Now we need the sound in the middle. K-a-g. K-a-g. What did you hear? Ah. And what letter makes the sound? Ah. A. Show yourself how to write it. Notice I'm using all lowercase letters. And now we just need our last sound. Cag. Cag. What do you hear at the end? G. And what letter makes the sound? G. G. Be careful with this one. You want it to sit on your sound line and then drop that monkey tail out of the sound line. Friends, I'm so proud of you. We wrote our first green words today. Nice job.